Hi guys, today we're going to be installing the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions Rubigrid into my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Inside there's a warranty card, typical, decal. Not sure I'll put that on because I'm kind of a stickler for symmetry for the most part, so I might not be able to handle dealing with that. And it looks like the installation guide. Yes, installation guide. Alright, so nice packaging overall. Actually, very nice. Looks like all hardware that's needed is included, including all the tools, screwdrivers, everything. Okay, that's different. So, if you see here, this is, just give me a second. This is not wanting to focus. That's what's going on here. Alright, so that is what looks like a bullet, but it's actually a bottle opener. So, a nice little included gift. So inside the box, we have a few items. Let's zoom out a little bit. And we have, as I said, hardware. We have the actual grid mounting piece, which should need to go underneath, rather, you pull up the rubber piece, you'll see during the install, and screws in with two screws. One of their carbon fiber mounting arms. One of the clamps that actually go on here to be able to mount your mounting points to. A camera mount, GoPro, depending on how you want to look at it, and an additional swivel head is what it looks like, so you know, in case you break one, you can see that happening. And then I went with the standard universal clip, so it just adjusts out. Has a little rubber piece here, which is kind of nice. That's got a little bit of a what's the word I want to use? Texture to it. And then the other piece in there is just another one of the arm pieces to be able to mount to. So, I guess we can head to the truck. We're gonna get up in here. And the first thing we need to do is remove this here rubber piece. And just throw that away in case I decide that I don't want to keep this. I highly doubt that to be the case, but you never know. Alright, so up here, which you probably can't see very well, there are two screws. So those two screws need to come out, I think. Alright, there we go. They're a little bit tight at first, which, you know, rather they're tight than loose, because that would not be good. Get those out of there. I have already installed the ball mounted pieces that come with this. So on here is the camera GoPro mount and also the phone holder here. So those two things are definitely pieces that I needed. Some may not, some may. It all just depends on what you may need. So getting this in here is another thing. So let's see what it's gonna take. Screw back out here. So that screw should go up there. So I start screwing it in. Let go in a little. I give a little extra force. If you have the right angle. So that does not go in. Kind of a difficult angle to get this screw in for this to work on. So let's try this one more time. Alright, there we go. Alright, so one thing I noticed is that the actual dash is a little bit sloped this way. So it looks like the Bulletpoint Rubigrid actually flattens it out, which is kind of nice in my opinion. So we'll go ahead and get this one in. Which same screws that you took out to reinstall. So that's one of the reasons why I did this, is no actual modifications are needed. So we got that in there just like so, and that's about right where I want it, right there. It's not too close, not too far away, but just close enough. So now when come over this way, and we'll make sure we're in focus over here. So you'll see that I can just go ahead and put my phone right there. It's out of the way. I have USB-C cable. I can just plug it right on in. Still out of the way. Don't have to worry about it. Everything seems pretty rigid overall. I'll have to see how well the camera works here, because it looks a little higher than what I was expecting, but I think it'll be okay. Might just get it close enough just to make it good. But outside of that, I like the way that this sits. It's quite comfortable looking. I might have to adjust this a little bit here and there, but I'll get it figured out. I don't know the exact positioning I want things in yet, but time will tell. Alright, thanks for watching.